Innovation isn't scripted. You know, you take Thomas Edison, for example. He spent a thousand tries in trying to make the light bulb. He knew that lighting was going to change the world. But also he said, you know, it took 99% perspiration, 1% inspiration. So he had the idea, but he had to try over and over again. You may not have the right idea right at the beginning, or the technology or the customer base may not exist. One of the things you have to think about in ideas is there an opportunity in which you're trying to exploit in the marketplace? You know, you look at the iPhone, for example, what they wanted to do was make a smartphone that had its own ecosystem, that you could download apps on it, that you could have a development community around it, that you could have music connected to it. They built a phone that was easy to use around an ecosystem because that's what they found the customers wanted. And sure enough, many others followed. And it also put many out of business at the same time. So what you have to think about is, with your innovation, is what is the opportunity that I want to exploit? Can I exploit this opportunity with the technology today, or with the processes, or whatever you're doing, the services today? Is the customer ready for this exploitation? And is there a really business market there wrapped around the financials? And that will help you determine whether or not this innovation at this time is ready to go forward.